Hello everyone, and a huge welcome to NextGen Explains, the brand new channel where we break down artificial intelligence and make it super easy for beginners. My name is Alex, and I'm so excited to kick things off. This is my very first YouTube video, and I wanted to start with something incredibly practical. Today, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that are completely changing how beginners, especially here in the USA, can work smarter, study more effectively, and save a ton of time every single day. We're going to dive into how these tools can become your personal assistants for everything from writing emails and organizing your life to creating stunning visuals and even generating human-like audio. So if you've ever felt a bit overwhelmed by all the AI talk and just want to know where to start, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. First up, we have the one you've probably heard of, ChatGPT. Think of it as your super smart brainstorming partner. Let's say you're a student in California with a history paper due. You can ask ChatGPT to outline the key events of the gold rush. It will give you a structured list in seconds. Or maybe you're a small business owner in Texas trying to write a catchy social media post. Just tell ChatGPT your product and target audience, and it will generate several creative options for you. The real magic of ChatGPT for beginners is its conversational nature. You can ask follow-up questions, refine its answers, and really dig deep into a topic. Need to write a professional email to your boss? Just describe the situation, and it will draft it for you. It helps overcome writer's block and saves you from staring at a blank page. It's an incredible tool for generating ideas, drafting text, and simplifying complex information, making it a must-have for anyone looking to boost their productivity. Next on our list is Notion AI. Now, many of you might already use Notion for note-taking and organizing your life. But their AI feature takes it to a whole new level. Imagine you've just attended a 2-hour online lecture, and your notes are a complete mess. With Notion AI, you can simply highlight all that messy text and click Summarize. In an instant, you'll have a clean, concise summary of the key points. This is a game changer for students and professionals who attend a lot of meetings. Another amazing feature is improved writing. Let's say you've drafted an email, but you're not sure if it sounds professional enough. Notion AI can fix grammar, improve your tone, and make your writing clearer and more impactful. It's like having a personal editor built right into your digital workspace. You can also use it to generate action items from meeting notes or even translate text by integrating AI directly into your organizational hub. Notion AI helps you streamline your workflow and turn raw information into actionable knowledge without ever leaving the app. The third tool is Gemini, developed by Google. What makes Gemini stand out, especially for beginners, is its deep integration with the Google ecosystem you already use every day. For example, if you're planning a weekend trip from New York to Boston, you can ask Gemini to not only suggest an itinerary, but also to check for flight prices on Google Flights and find top-rated restaurants on Google Maps, all in one conversation. It's incredibly powerful because it can pull real-time information from the internet. This makes it an amazing research assistant. Let's say you're reworking on a project and need the latest statistics on the US electric vehicle market. You can ask Gemini, and it will search the web and give you up-to-date sourced information. It's also great for visual tasks. You can upload a picture of a plant from your garden and ask Gemini to identify it and give you care instructions. Because it's connected to Google's vast knowledge base, Gemini is like a supercharged search engine that understands context and gives you comprehensive, actionable answers, making it perfect for both work and personal life. Moving on to the creative side, we have our fourth tool, Canva AI. Many of you probably know Canva as a fantastic graphic design tool, but its new AI features, called Magic Studio, are truly revolutionary for beginners. Let's say you need to create a presentation for work, but you're not a designer. You can simply type a prompt like a 10-slide presentation about sustainable farming in the Midwest, and Canva's Magic Design will generate a full, professionally designed presentation for you, complete with text, images, and layouts. It's incredible. Another feature is the Magic Eraser. Have you ever taken a great photo, but there's a distracting object in the background? With Magic Eraser, you just brush over the object, and AI removes it seamlessly. It's like having professional photo editing software that's incredibly easy to use. You can also use its AI to generate images from text, or even create short videos from your designs. For anyone in the USA running a side hustle, managing social media, or just wanting to create beautiful visuals without a steep learning curve, Canva AI is an absolute essential. It democratizes design and empowers you to create stunning content in minutes. Last but not least, our fifth tool is 11 Labs. This one is all about audio. 11 Labs is a state-of-the-art text-to-speech and voice cloning tool. Now, why would a beginner need this? Imagine you're a student who prefers to listen to your study notes instead of reading them. You can copy and paste your text into 11 Labs, and it will generate an incredibly natural-sounding audio file for you to listen to on your commute. The voices are so realistic, it's hard to tell they're AI-generated. Or, if you're creating a video for a school project or a business presentation, you can use it to generate a professional voiceover. This is perfect for people who might be shy about using their own voice. Or do UNT have high-quality recording equipment? You can choose from a library of different voices, accents, and styles to perfectly match the tone of your content. For creators, educators, and students, 11 Labs opens up a new way to consume and produce content. It makes information more accessible and gives your projects a polished, professional sound without the high cost or technical skills of a recording studio. So, there you have it. 5 powerful free AI tools that can make a real difference in your daily life. Let's quickly recap. We started with ChatGPT, your ultimate brainstorming partner for generating text and ideas. Then we looked at Notion AI, which helps you summarize, edit, and organize information right within your digital workspace. After that, we explored Gemini, the Google-powered research assistant that can pull real-time information from the web. We then got creative with Canva AI, which lets you design presentations, edit photos, and create visuals with simple text prompts. And finally, we listened to the power of 11 Labs, which can turn any text into natural-sounding audio for study or content creation. Each of these tools is designed to be user-friendly and is the perfect entry point into the world of artificial intelligence. In conclusion, these 5 tools, ChatGPT, Notion AI, Gemini, Canva AI, and 11 Labs are the perfect starting point for anyone looking to boost their productivity with AI. They can help you write better, learn faster, organize your thoughts, create beautiful designs, and even produce high-quality audio. The best part is that you can start using all of them for free right now. My goal with this channel, NextGen Explains, is to continue bringing you practical guides just like this one. We'll explore more tools, share tips and tricks, and demystify the world of AI together. I truly believe that these technologies can empower all of us, and I'm here to help you on that journey. Thanks so much for watching my very first video. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And make sure you press that bell icon so you don't miss what's next. I'll see you in the next video.